Now, a question we could ask ourselves is that, does naive Bayes overestimate the probability or underestimate the real probability? Yeah. So we're gonna see over or underestimate. Yeah. Let's take an example. An example with two words. X1 is Viagra and X2 is Myanmar. Okay, so the non-Bayes or the non-naive Bayes, the non-naive Bayes, yeah, is the chance of X1 equal Viagra given spam, yeah, sorry, that's not correct, comma, X2 equal to Myanmar given spam, right? So here the way to read it is, given that my email is spam, what is the probability that I find and Viagra and Myanmar in the email? Okay, now in the naive Bayes case, this will change in X1 Viagra given spam times X2 Myanmar given spam. Yeah. So this is given spam. What is the probability to find Viagra in the email? And here, given spam, what's the probability to find Myanmar in the email? Intuitively, you can feel that this probability will be much higher than this one. Yeah? Because here, if in the email is just Viagra but not Myanmar, it's not a fit. Whereas here it is. So that means that if we call this number 1 and this call number 2, then is that number 2 is much bigger than number 1. Yeah? So that means that, what are we doing when we use naive Bayes? We're actually overestimating the probability. Okay, I'm going to work on 2 examples now so you get a better feel. One example will be in a continuous case and one example will be in a discrete case.